This is Dabu 7, an update to the space station that is falling toward Earth. Last time I talked about it, of course, we had some time before they expected this thing to come crashing down toward Earth, but now we are in 2018. They're expecting that somewhere maybe around March, this massive 19,000-pound station is going to come falling uncontrollably toward Earth, and there's a lot of unknowns about this. What's on board it? I mean, it could potentially match prophecy as well of like the Hopi prophecy and others where the house in the heavens falls out of the skies down to the earth, meaning he had said, okay, that could have been the ISS. They were waiting for it to come crashing down. Well, this is very similar. It's a massive space station. It was just Chinese. It was no different. It was just Chinese, a massive lab up there that they lost control of in 2016, and they're saying that this thing is going to come crashing down between 43 degrees north and 43 degrees south latitude, which means it's virtually can come down in the area where all the inhabitants of the earth pretty much are sitting. That's what they've narrowed it down to. They're not telling us what's on board this. All they're saying now is that it has a 1 in 10,000 chance of hitting an inhabited area. I want to say this, a 1 in 10,000 chance, even though they say it's slim, that's not slim. That's not slim. Hopefully this thing goes down in the ocean or somewhere out in the woods away from everyone. But if this thing was to make a direct hit on a small town or city, it's going to wipe out anyone around it. Not like a nuclear bomb, but it's going to be a blast, and it's not going to be a soft landing. Something coming down from space that is 19,000 pounds. Now, granted, it's going to burn up a good bit in the atmosphere, but not all the way. People, it's just going to totally burn apart in the atmosphere. That's garbage. No, it's not. Huge chunks of this are going to make it to the ground. They're warning of this now, and where it's going to come down, yet to be seen. If we get a better beat on this as we get closer to March, they should have a better angle, a beat on this thing, trajectory, all that good stuff. Hopefully we can update an area the closer we get to it. But one to watch, nonetheless, when you have massive objects falling out of the sky, not knowing where they're going to land, and one that could potentially match some prophecies. It's one to keep an eye on. I'll leave a link here with more information, and as always, I'll continue to update as we get closer to this event. It's been Dabu 7. Eyes to the skies.